My name is Dr. Julien Marchand, and I'm a dad, a lecturer in entrepreneurship, and I'm a coach for founders. So, what is the challenge that we are all going through at the moment as founders, entrepreneurs, side hustler? Well, it's the uncertainty that was brought by the pandemic, right? The rules have changed. Like, the customer behavior has changed. Online is becoming the bigger and bigger thing, right? Government rules, grants are changing. Everything's changing. So the question is, what do we do? What do we do with it? So the question in our mind is, okay, should I simply put my business on hold? Or should I continue as is, or should I pivot, right? I mean, those are the essential questions for us, because if we keep thinking about it without doing anything about it, we're going to start worrying and worrying and worrying, and nothing's going to happen. We're all just going to feel bad about ourselves, right? So what I'm proposing is a masterclass where I will show you the one tool, right? So it's a very simple tool, the one thing. It's called in Canvas. It helps you look at your business model, your entire business on one page, right? And so that helps you look at all the elements. So we're talking customers, their problems, the solution, your unique value proposition, the channels that you use, the cost streams, and then the revenue streams for your business. All of this in one page. Get you a chance to step back, look at it, look at how everything is interacting, and realizing just by doing it, where is the weakest point? What has changed that is making your business not aligned anymore, right? And enabling you to then focus on that and to realize, okay, I'm going to change, I'm going to pivot this, or realizing, no, this is all good, or realizing, oh my God, I cannot change this. I have to put this on hold. So this is what we're going to be working on. And this is in partnership with Wildmer, right? What we're going to be doing is a very practical session where I'll give you like 10 to 15 minutes content on what is a tool, and then the rest of it, we'll be working on it. Like, you'll come out of that place with a good understanding how to build your business model, but you will be actually doing it in a session, right? So come out with a session, and you should be able, by the end, to circle the weakest point in your business model and go, okay, this is what I need to work on. This is the clarity that I have now. I know what to work on. Come and join us.